Story 5. What color are your eyes? Brown, blue, green? What color are your eyes? Brown? More than half the people in the world have brown eyes. People in Africa and Asia mostly have brown eyes. Color. Africa. Places. Asia. Places.
Color, color, color.
True. Where do you get the colors in your eyes from brother and sister? Color.
Story 7. Numbers for you. Have you ever noticed how some numbers also sound like words? It's an idea I came up with in math class.
Number. Number. Mall. Class. Note. Pizza. 4. 2. 8. What did I pass to my friend? Note.